Hello friends, today we are going to review chapter 21, Diagramming and Presenting Architecture from Fundamentals of Software Architecture book. Before I start reviewing the chapter, I want to share some embarrassing details. When I was a developer, I had a plan how I am going to become a software architect. My idea was I will keep quiet, won't communicate, will not work on communication skills. I have to give a presentation which is awesome, amazing, will have lot of buzzwords, which has lot of effects. And after seeing that, management will promote me to architect position. Now I learned that you cannot give great presentation without working on your communication skills first. For a lot of us, English is not the first language. So we have to master our daily communication, how we communicate to with our colleague, how we communicate to other management, how we communicate to our business stakeholders. So communication is very important. A lot of us, we just work on our technical skills. We need to work on our technical skills. We need to work on our communication skills and management skills. I think these three skills you are never master. You always keep working on your technical, your communication, and your management leadership skills. So communication skills is very, very important, and presentation is part of this communication skill. So you cannot have great presentation skills without having great communication skills. So do work on your communication skills first. So coming to the presentation skill, authors agree that you have to have present your ideas. You have to present your ideas to the management, to developers, to make sure your vision, you are able to communicate your vision and get developers to work on your vision. It's a small chapter, but it has a lot of useful tips. They agree they can write a big book on communication and presentation. There is a lot of material there, but they give some nice tips. One first good tip was from the book was be careful when you start working on diagramming your architecture. If you spend too much time using Visio, you will have an attachment with your diagrams, and these diagrams represent ideas. These ideas may be good or bad. So that's something good about agile methodology is don't invest initially too much on diagramming, spending too much building diagrams. It's a good idea. Use primitive tools to build your initial diagrams, initial architecture and design diagrams, so that you can throw away if some idea is not good, not feasible, not workable, it's not useful anymore. The one good tool is if you have a tablet, you can design your documents and connect to some projector to present those ideas. So author of this book discusses there are some what are the popular tools for presentation. There is a PowerPoint, there is a C4 I have never used. There's a Archimate, it's an open source diagram tool, and they give a example of the tool they are using for building all the diagrams in this book. So whatever tool you use, what they recommend, it should have some key features. It should help you to group elements together, make invisible. It should have some way to help you to design your own wizards. Help you to design some your own templates so that you don't have start from scratch. And it should have some magnet effect. You should be able to keep two blocks and attach to them, and they should hold together. So then they give some good tips. Don't put too many bullets in your PowerPoint. Don't use too much text. Not don't read from the text. And one great tip I got from the book was a lot of people when they are giving presentation, they are supporting the PowerPoint. When you are giving presentation, you are the star. The focus should be on your side, and PowerPoint should support you. You should not be supporting PowerPoint. When very good tip he gives, when you want everybody to focus on you, you are making some important point. Put a blank page on the PowerPoint. Another good tip is sometimes you don't want to present your sometimes you don't want to present your ideas, you prepare info decks. So it was a great chapter on the presentation, and communication and presentation is very huge topic. Do work on your communication and presentation skills. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, watch my other videos in fundamentals of software architecture playlist. Also like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn. If you like small summaries of the video, I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the video on LinkedIn. Thanks again.